So hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today it's Sunday, so I thought we can make only one easy level problem which I have found on the interview query website, and this will be the day 14 of our 21 days of querying challenge, and let's see how it goes. So the first thing is we need to write a query to determine the top 5 actions performed during the month of November 2020 for actions performed on a Apple platform, which is either iPhone or iPad. And we have a events table that tracks every time a user performs a certain action like post, enter, etc. on a platform such as Android, web, etc. So the output should include the actions performed and its rank in ascending order. If two actions are performed equally, they should have the same rank. So from the last line we can clearly see that we need to get the we need to use the dense rank function, and then we need to use the filters inside a one table. So let's just do it. So we'll select first star from our events table, and then what all do we need? So the first thing we need is the action, then and I need the and that's it and then I need the count of the action, and yeah, this should do. And what else? We need to use our filters, so where the platform should be iPhone or iPad, right? So where platform in either iPhone or iPad, let's and so it should be the month of November 2020. So month of created at should be equal to, so November is 11, and also we need to get the year of created at as 2020, and then we need to group by our action column. So let's just run this code. So we got our output. So for like it's 2, for post submit it's 3, and then post cancel, and these are the actions that that we have done. So let's move on to the next part, which is we need to mention the ranks for all these actions that we got as our output. So in order to do that, we can clearly put this in a CD table, and we can close this, and now we can select the action from our CT table, and then I need to create a dense rank function, and I will there is no need to order anything, partition anything, because the action table, like since we are taking the action column, it's already partitioned. One thing that we need to order by is the count of the action, so we can order by, so what's it's like count of action as let's give a name for it as C. So we will order by C, and then we should order it in descending order. No, we need to order in ascending itself. So you can leave this as it is, and I'm getting this from my CD table. And then we'll limit it to 5. Oops, we got a completely different answer. So I think it should be descending, like there are email opened. So let's give descending and then run it. Yeah, we got our answer and it should be called as ranks, and let's submit. Oops, let's run this again. Yeah, we got it. So yeah, this is one of the easy question that we have solved, and we have used the with table and then the which is the CD tables, and then we have also touched upon the dense rank function. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and have a next day.